Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from Group 3. We would like to present about mobile-assisted writing, teaching learning, using Google Documents and Grammarly. The members are Dyah Kusuma Ningrum, Cindona Ompumona, Dzulqongidatul Adinda Putri Islamiah, Ulil Hidayad Tulloh, Nela Anisah, Rizqiy Nur Islami, and Ninda Savira R. For the first is, what is Grammarly? Grammarly is a writing assistant that job seekers, writers, and other professionals can use to proofread and edit their documents. It checks for more than 250 types of spelling, grammar, and punctuation error, and it enhances vocabulary usage. Grammarly goes well beyond traditional tools that have been offered through Word and email platforms because it allows users to choose editing input based on 6 different styles of writing: business, academic, casual, technical, creative, and general. Grammarly has been available since 2009. It is a sophisticated artificial intelligence or AI system that's been honed and improved upon consistently over the years. Built linguists and engineers who develop algorithms to detect patterns of good writings. How to Grammarly works? Grammarly gives you your documents an overall score based on the number of issues and errors it's found. It then walks you through a series of possible grammatical problems, one at a time, but a short and long explanation are provided by the system for each issue that's identified. Misspellings are pointed out along with a list of alternative spellings. A handy plagiarism checker can help writers identify any inadvertently borrowed content. The system points out similar text that exists elsewhere. It is such a citation that can be incorporated to legitimize the text in question.
And next, there are two versions of Grammarly. Here is table covering each Grammarly feature and its plan coverage. There are free version and the premium version. Free version, grammar and spelling checks, and the premium version, number 1, vocabulary enhancement, 2, plagiarism detector or checks over 16 billion web pages, and 3, grammar and spelling checks, 4, genre-specific writing style checks, and 5, checks punctuation, grammar, context, and sentence structure. And next, Grammarly Pros, real-time grammar correcting, easy to understand explanation, very simple to use. And Grammarly Cons, its free version is very limited. Aggressive advertising.
The next application is Google Docs. Google Docs is Google's browser-based word processor. You can create, edit, and share documents online and access them from any computer with an internet connection. There's even a mobile app for Android and iOS.
Okay guys, next slide is advantages and disadvantages of Google Document. Advantages of Google Document, there are 4. Number 1 is access to files anywhere with internet access. The second is files can be viewed on different platforms, example PCS, tablet, iPhone, and etc. And the third is all files are password protected. And the 4 is easily share files with other Google account users. And the last is automatically saves file while typing. Okay, next is disadvantages of Google Documents. Disadvantages of Google Document, there are 5 also. Number 1 is limited formatting ability. The second is allows more than one user to work on a document at any given time. The third is can experience lag during peak hours, usually during the day. And the next is might not export properly or poor format translation. And the last is cannot be accessed offline.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tulloh. I will use one of the application on the Google Play Store to make it easier to write, and the application that is used is the Google Docs. Step by step to make application Google Docs. First, download the Google Docs application on the Google Play Store. Since I have downloaded, we just have to open it. To create a new document, click the button. Kita tinggal menuliskan kata-katanya. This button is to bold. To italic text, to underline text, to change text color, to tidy up paragraph, to number, and to make word it fit more right. To share with author, we open share and explore. Share the person kita buat pengaturannya untuk orang tersebut bisa mengedit atau cuma bisa melihat saja. Terlebih dahulu kita explore dulu untuk dokumennya. Setelah kita explore, kemudian baru bisa dibagikan. Itulah pembuatan step by step untuk menggunakan Google Docs.
Hello guys, I want to explain about how to use Grammarly web. This is one of the important webs, especially for all of you guys who like to write essays in English. So the first you need to open Google Chrome or Mozilla, and next type Grammarly, this one. This www.grammarly.com, just tap. This is how it looks. Also, these webs can help you to write stories in social media so that words or sentences are correct, because sometimes what are we write is not right in English, I mean in grammar. There are paid websites and the other one is free. This Grammarly. But the day I use Grammarly free. This website also very useful for us to check our grammar whether it is correct or not. So the first, you need login or sign up with your Gmail or FB. Just type login. This is how it looks. I have already logged in Grammarly and this is my Gmail. This is, you can log in or sign up with Google or Facebook. I mean Gmail, your Gmail in Google or Facebook. I choose Gmail. This is my account already. Just tap. I'm sorry, my connection is so bad. Just tap continue. And this is how it looks. Later, you can type your own words. Just this. Tap this. New. My connection is so trouble. So it's just lowered. This is how it looks. Skip the tour, just stop here. So I will write some sentence, or you can copy in your words, your own words, but I will write my own words. He are the man of something. Just wait, okay? On the right, it will be seen which one is wrong. Grammarly will automatically predict the wrong word and will automatically be correct. He and the verbs are not in agreement. Consider changing the verb. So my verb are is wrong. If there is a wrong word, it will be underlined like in the you can tap that is he is the man of something. This is correct sentence.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rizqiy Nur Islami, and here I would like to explain how to use Grammarly keyboard application while you are writing at the Google Docs or while you are writing everything at your smartphone. Open your Grammarly application that you have installed before. After that, click Get Started. Then you need to make your own account. You can continue with your Facebook account or continue with your Google account or continue with your email, or you can use your exciting account. Maybe you have used Grammarly before. Here I use my Google account. After that, click Add Grammarly keyboard button. There's so many keyboard that on my smartphone, so you need to turn the Grammarly one. Turn on the Grammarly keyboard. Click OK. After that, the button turn to on. Hidup. Turning to on. Click Switch Input Methods. Choose the Grammarly. Click OK. Here you can adjust your keyboard look. If you like to have a light keyboard or like to have dark keyboard, you can choose one from this color, this theme. After that, you also can add the keyboard borders and add the number row. After that, click continue with like theme, because here I just like theme. Here you need to select your keyboard language. There is no Indonesian language on the Grammarly keyboard. So here, because we only want to we download this application because we need to support our English writing. So we only choose the English one. Click continue with English. Click done. Here you can adjust your keyboard again if you have another setting. So you have finished the Grammarly setting. After that, open your Google Docs. Click the plus button at the corner of your smartphone. Click New Document. Here, you can type everything that you want to type. Grammarly is a writing assistant. Grammarly is a writing assistant that job seekers and other professionals can use to proofread and edit their documents. So you can see that there's no notification that this Grammarly keyboard detects. So it means that there's no mistakes on the sentence that you have write. So here I'm trying to make a mistakes on the my sentence. Then you can see that there's a notification on the Grammarly logos on the number row. Click the Grammarly logo. You can see that there's a notification that the word had, because I have typed that by deleting the T. The word hat doesn't seem to fit this context. Consider replacing it with a different one. Click the correction. After that, the mistake on your sentence will automatically change into the correct one. So that's how we use this application. So this application is really helpful for us as an English learners, because usually we need to type everything in English, and then if we make a mistakes, usually we don't aware with the mistakes that we have made. So with this application, we can aware on every mistakes that we made while we type everything. So the conclusion is, this application really recommended for everyone who learn English. Thank you.
Okay, that's all our material about mobile assistant writing, teaching, learning, and we hope you can practice our tutorial and forgive us if we have any mistake, and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.